Hey yo, what's good, y'all? It's your boy Bobby Sneaker World, and I am back with another video. Now today, as you can see, we're outside enjoying this beautiful weather one more time. I want to, before I get the video started, you know what I'm saying, special rest in peace to one of the greatest to ever do it. Some say the GOAT, Biggie. So wanted to have a little quick, wanted to represent one time for the one time, you know what I'm saying? Notorious B.I.G. But now what I want to do, I wanted to make this video today. I wanted this to be like an appreciation for my fellow content creators, but one specifically, my boy Davey McFly, Too Wise, and just supporting. Like, he already knows obviously that I purchased some of his merch or a t-shirt off of his website, and I strongly suggest that all of you guys do the same. Go subscribe to his channel. If you like the content, if you like what he's talking about, real dude, man. If you into sneakers and obviously definitely into Funkos and stuff like that, go subscribe to his channel. But also support his movement, man. It's not always just about, you know, watching a video, hitting that like button, which is all good, and that's what we want as content creators. But also, if somebody has other things that they're doing, I couldn't think of the word, other things that they're doing outside of just the YouTube realm, so try to support that as well if you can, man. We spend a lot of money on sneakers and clothes and Funkos and everything else, whatever it is else you're into. But if you got somebody that you are vouching for and you're behind, support the other stuff too if you can. And that's what I chose to do. But before I get into his merch, I want to show you guys. Also wanted to quickly try to get into another pickup since it came today as well, that I recently had. It's t-shirts as well, but these are some really dope pieces as far as the pictures and who and what they represent. I figured I had to get behind it. This is a package from what is it called? Unique, right? Uniqlo. I'm tripping. It's the same place that I used to get I got all my Cause Sesame Street t-shirts from, and they're also having a Cause Uniqlo, it's my receipt, collab coming up, I think next month as well. There's gonna be fire from the t-shirts that I seen for this year's collection, for the summer collection. But I ordered 3 t-shirts and I missed one of the t-shirts. I forgot to put it in my cart, and so it'll be coming later. I had to order it by itself, but I wanted 4. I ended up getting 3. But and there's a few other ones that I'm gonna circle back and try to get once my size comes in. But I wanted to get into a couple of these. Now these, if you know anything about Uniqlo, they have the quality on the shirts is really good as far as all of the shirts, the Cause shirts that I've gotten in the past, and they're really inexpensive, man. They're like $15 a piece, but if you got 2, they were $10 a piece. So I barely spent any money on these 3 t-shirts. Now the first t-shirt, I think I got 2 from, yeah, I have 2 t-shirts from artist. I don't know if you guys are aware of Keith Haring, but he was an artist. He died at the age of 31, I believe, of AIDS. But if you recognize this character, this type of drawing, this is Keith Haring. He wasn't from New York, but he lived in New York. He passed away in New York, and this is the iconic caricature, like strong line, cartoonish type characters that he painted on all of the New York subways and all around New York City in the late 70s and the mid 80s, late 70s to mid 80s, when he really blew up. But this one just says Love USA, I believe. Really clean, really simple. But these artists, Keith Haring, and I'm gonna get into the other one. I'm gonna show you that character, and there's 2 others that are his main, the most recognizable pieces. This is another one that has his name, signature script on the back, but on the front, this is the one of the other ones, the barking dog. Very, very simple stuff, but back in the late 70s and the early 80s, this stuff blew up, and his pieces, art pieces, go for obviously thousands, hundreds of thousands of dollars and things like that. But those are the two pieces that I have from him, and I have one more piece, which is from his logo, or not logo, but this piece, you'll see, it should be very recognizable as well. This crown, very, very recognizable, and this is from Jean-michel Basquiat. And I'm sure even if you're not familiar with Basquiat's artwork per se, I'm sure you heard his name before, if it's in a Jay-Z reference in his songs or something like that. But this is the other piece is one from him that I gotta circle back and get. That's on the way. But he died at the age of 27, I believe, from a heroin overdose in New York City in his art studio. So both guys gone way too soon. I believe Basquiat has a painting that he painted. I'll try to find a picture and put the painting up when he was 21. It's still, I think he's the highest selling artist in American history. And one painting sold for $110 million. One painting. So that was after he passed away. So I just wanted to get into those real quick. Now we're gonna get into the meat and potatoes of this video, and like I said, why I'm calling this an appreciation for my fellow content creators. All right, once again, now this is, obviously it's still sealed. Haven't broken into this or anything, so all I know is the pictures from Teespring, where I ordered it from. But regardless, so I haven't seen it, but it's just completely out of the love and the support, and I'll probably be wearing it in whatever my next video is to show even more love and support. But if you're new to the channel, I didn't get into this in the beginning. If you even made it this far into the video, if you're new to the channel, please don't hesitate to subscribe. If that big red button down below is still red, you're doing it all wrong. It should be gray. Come over here and join Bobby's Sneaker World. But anyway, so let's get into this. Like I said, this comes from my fellow colleague, peer here on the YouTube platform, Mr. David McFly, and I wanted to just show love and support. So this is what I ordered. Let me look at it first. Oh, you can see on the back, mob, mob, mob. Bam. Mob only. David McFly Funko looking, you know what I'm saying? Had to do it for the one time, man. And the thing about it is, not just black businesses, but definitely support our own, man. I'm big on that. Whenever you see me buy something from black businesses, whether it's Challenge Society, my hometown team, people that I support back home, I purchase stuff and I post it on my Instagram. I'll always support black business, support our own, hashtags, all of that. Same thing applies, man. We buy from everybody, but we have to support our own, and our own meaning black folks, and our own meaning my content creators here on YouTube, my peers. So I just wanted to give a special shout out to you, bro, man. It came in, it's crispy, it's clean, it's looking good. Everybody, please go hit up my man David McFly 2Ys on IG. Follow him on Instagram, follow him on YouTube. Content is dope, merch is dope, and he doesn't just have t-shirts. He got socks, t-shirts, mugs, anything that you can think of. I think phone cases, anything that you need, he can put the mob on it. So man, I just wanted to make this video real quick. I didn't have any plans on making a video today, but these things came in and I had to get it out to you guys, man. I wanted you guys to go and support our own. Whether it doesn't have to mean black, it doesn't have to mean YouTube, it just means people that you love. That's your own, that's your mob, that's your people. So with all that being said, man, I appreciate each and every one of you guys for watching another one of my videos. Hopefully you subscribe to the channel. The goal is still 5,000 supporters by the end of 2019, and I think we can get it done. Prove me right. OVE!